Good morning. So today I'm going to work with a snowstorm, and this is how it looks like there. It's my car covered in snow. So first thing we have to do is scrape it off. Ooh. It's a good thing that the snow is not yet frozen, but if it is, then it's gonna make it harder. Like this inside the car. There. Big snow. I got to put on my seatbelt. Driving for about 30 minutes and I'll see what we got. That's how much snow we have here. That's like that. It's like I'm driving on a rough road. So much snow. But it's manageable. And storm's still going. see the lines. You can't see the road endings. The only thing that you can see are the light posts and the rail guards. So that's how you will know that it's the end of the road, or side of the road, I would say. And it's a good thing that I'm very familiar with this road, so it doesn't really matter. But if you're new to this road, it's a little bit tricky. It's like this one, you can't see the side of the road. Just need to be really careful when driving on a snow storm like this. They said snow is fun, but if it's too much, it's not at all. So this is a 3-lane road, but as you can see on the outer lane, or I would say not outer, but on the middle lane, it's almost unusable because of the pile of snow there. Yeah, it's about like probably 2 feet high. Yeah, that's how it is during winter, especially a snowstorm like this. This is an orange warning. That's how it looks like. And not fun at all. Too much snow. Car park. And it's already calm. The city center. Still too much snow, and that's how it is going to work during a snowstorm. So some of the roads are heated, just like this one. This is kinda a playground road, that's why it's heated. So no snow.